these are sick as f. These are sick as f. Yeah, beautiful shoes. What is up, guys? This is Chulo back at it with another video. Today we're actually gonna be doing a quick little unboxing. I should have done this like a month or two ago now, I believe. I've just been slacking. I know I've said that in past videos. There's been a lot of craziness going on in the world, you know? I made the jump and bought myself a better camera. So that means I will be able to do better videos, cooler things. I'm gonna be able to do live cops because it's not on my phone anymore, so I can have my phone for backup on Supreme because I usually need that because you never know what's gonna go on. So live cops are gonna be happening. We're gonna do some hikes, some adventures, all sorts of stuff. But onto the main plan of attack. What we're gonna be doing today is we're actually gonna unbox these Jordans that I got a while ago now. I believe, if I remember correctly, these are the Jordan 12 Indigos. These are like the ones I've been most excited to open. They've just been sitting there like collecting dust and like, I'm sad, but I'm gonna be on my from here on out. We're gonna be doing videos like 2 to 4 to 5, maybe even 7 videos a week, maybe even 9 videos a week, in between 6 and 9, I believe, or somewhere around 420 videos in a year. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. On a scale though, from 6 to 9, my videos would definitely be a 420. So let's not delay, let's get right into these shoes. I'm hoping you guys like this. I know people have already done reviews on them, but mine is gonna be my version, the Chulo version. Make sure you go follow my vintage page on Instagram, Mystic Styles Vintage, and then follow my personal Instagram, as above, so Chulo 23, which you will see on the screen or down in the description. And then also, I just want to bring awareness to the thumbs up button that's down there. Make sure you smash that. Okay. So we're gonna be unboxing the Jordan 12 Indigos. I got these on the Nike sneakers app. I had like a good 2 weeks where I hit like 3 shoes, and then the finale of them all, which just arrived today, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that probably before I do the other shoes. It's gonna be dope. So the Jordan 12 Indigos, check this out. I remember to take off my label so I don't have to edit it out. I'm remembering what I learned. Got my trusty knife here, you know, doing my thing. Now you can actually see it better. This is what I'm always talking about. Isn't that thing cool? And it says Thailand on it. Cool. It's actually like a letter opener, but I love it. This thing's rad. So, I guess this is a letter. This is just a big letter in a cardboard box. I'm just gonna cut, boom, boom. This is going well. And then just nice little simple, because I don't want to cut the box. Ooh, this is sick looking already. I love this box. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. See that? We'll get a little closer. Then it has the white box with the Indigo Jordan kind of watercolor effect. Because Indigo is like the world's oldest dye, if I remember correctly. I don't know too much about it, but it is like the world's oldest dye. It's the original dye that we dyed things with. Like, I think ink and everything is made from it. But yeah, so let's not delay. Let's get right in here, pull this out, and we will just start with the box. The first thing we got on this side, we have the Jordan just printed on the top of the lid, and then nothing on that side. On this side, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, which is the goddamn truth. Jordan is a beast. He's like, I was thinking about it, he's like a modern day like Hercules kind of, if you think about it, modern day like superhero or something of that sort. What he did is godlike. So let's just look here. What we have is this label, and it says Air Jordan 12 Retro 9.5, because that is my shoe size. These shoes are really sick, and I really want to see what happens to them when the ink like changes or whatever it's supposed to. And the colorway is Stone Blue / Legend Blue, so it's Stone Blue and Legend Blue. Sick. Boom. Style number is 130690404. And the suggested retail price was $190. This is a nice box. Quality. All right, gonna open it up. We're just gonna. Whoa! What do you see? Is it good? Ooh, looks like there's a card in there actually. Let's set this down. take a second. So what we have here is this card. It says Air Jordan 12. You can see this has the indigo with the Jumpman in the middle. On the back side it says the beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences with time and use. The depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that's unique to you. And that is what's so cool about raw denim. People don't really go into the full depth of what's cool about raw denim. There's multiple things. They're just high quality. When you don't wash them as much and you just wear them a bunch, they will like get their own fade to them because that indigo wears in a special way. It's really, really cool. But this is nice. This is like a really cool, almost like a retro card in a way, kind of like they used to do. So this is dope. Check that out. That is dope. Okay. Hell yeah. Let's just dig right in. Woohoo. Just starting right there. That is sick. I like these a lot. See that there's a little mark on those. Oh, damn. That's weird. I have noticed this. Sometimes the quality assurance is a little rough sometimes at Nike. I don't know if it's true or not, but I don't know. But they still look really good. Look at those. These are sick as I love the Jordan 12s. 11, 12s, and 13s are some of my favorite Jordans. They were the ones that were really popular when I was like growing up. And the 5s. Those are always popular. But these are sick as I kind of want to keep these. Oh my god. You got some numbers here. Boom. The paper is real nice. It's like premium. It's better than most of the other papers. Let's just take these bad boys out. Boom. And boom. Okay, so let's get into this. It says these here. How does that look? I bought some idea. Let's do that. There we go. Check that out. Boom. Look at these beauties. These things are sick. So up here, you got this nice like suede leather, I think is what you call it, or like a Durabuck. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. So it's just really nice. This is like a premium shoe. And you have a very nice white leather coming over here on the mudguard right here. Super sick. This is a dope shoe. Some shit on it though. The hell are you doing, Nike? They're dead stock, but they be f***ing around. So you got the nice indigo color. Indigo laces, kind of an offset, kind of tonal embroidery going down the tongue for the 2. Focus in. Yeah, super sick. You got the nice metal loopholes, whatever you want to call them, shoelace loops. And then on the back, you have the Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, because these are very nice. They really went all out on the quality on these bad boys. Just the 1 pair of laces, but that's okay. I think white would look a little weird in those. I don't know what other color you do. Maybe yellow. Yellow would kind of look cool. Be a different vibe. But this is a sick shoe. I'm really digging these. On the sole, you have the kind of light indigo Jordan up here on the toe, followed by the really cool, I would say that's like a snake print carbon fiber type scenario, because it kind of looks like a diamondback. Like, have you ever seen a diamondback rattlesnake? Super sick shoes. They are very cool. Down here you have the 23 kind of inset on there. These are sick as f. These are sick as f. Yeah, beautiful shoes. Check that out. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I really like these. I like this color blue, and the blue and the white just looks really good. Down here for the midsole, it kind of has just like another shade of indigo. That's what's kind of cool. It's like white and then just tonal indigo everywhere, which is like a blue-gray, I would say is the right term. These are sick. I want to see what they look like. I haven't really Googled to see if people have done it yet to make it look the way it's supposed to when the indigo wears away, but I hope it's sick. And you could definitely wear these with raw denim. Get it? Because it wouldn't dye. The color wouldn't fade or change. But yeah, super sick ass shoes. Up here too, you got the Jumpman on the heel tab. Jumpman. And here, you got the foot. I don't know what you call it. Like, it's like a shoe tree, but the one that comes with the shoe. Got the Jumpman, some Chinese symbol, probably quality assurance symbol, recycle, all that good stuff. 1 in each shoe. Beautiful shoes. So, beautiful shoes. On the right side of the shoe, you have the like rising sun part of the shoe, because this is inspired by the Japanese flag, if I remember correctly. So you have the rising sun, if I'm correct. I might be wrong, but I'm just going off my knowledge. That's what that looks like. But then the indigo, you have that right now. And it just looks really nice with those lace loops right there. That looks really good. And then down here in the leather, actually, I think it's embossed. Would that be the right term? Yeah, embossed. You have the Jumpman right there. And then actually on the toe, you can actually see the bottom of the, or the top of the Jumpman right there, the ball part. Super sick, and it actually has 23 right there. Super sick ass shoes. Very, very stoked on these. Woo! If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you like and subscribe. Smash that like button for me. You know, show that support. That really goes a long way. It helps other people discover my videos and get experience a little bit of what Chulo's like, you know? Everybody wants a little bit of Jacob Cholulo, you know? I'm just kidding. Jacob Cholulo. Jason Derulo. Get it? I think we pretty much covered everything. It's real buttery leather up here. It'll look good as it ages. It's not gonna get all creasy and look all these are gonna be dope. The interior, the lining is a nice like light blue as well. And then you have the light blue Jumpman on the bottom, you know, size 9.5. But yeah, these are some sick ass shoes. I am stoked on these. We're gonna have some good B-roll of these shoes. So we will cut to that right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. I don't want to be just the other sneaker YouTube, because I don't just do sneakers. I really like thrifting and the vintage stuff the most, and culture, music, everything. I want to do all sorts of things, reactions to songs, you know, all sorts of good stuff, because I love it. I love being a part of the culture, and I love the connection that we can all make through it. Thank you guys so much for everything. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Turn on post notifications so you're aware of when I post videos and all that good stuff. I really hope you're having a great start to fall. If you're in school, have a good start to your school year. Watch more videos of mine to get that drip right. No one can mess with you when you're dripped out, because you just shit on fools. No. That's the truth of the matter. Doesn't matter. You could play Dungeons and Dragons, but you got a nice pair of Jordans on, people are gonna respect you. It's not all about that though. But I know it was like growing up. People are mean. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. I love y'all. Peace out. Boom, boom, boom.